Most people get this wrong. They assume Stateside Cash is just another payday loan app with sky-high fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has evolved into a more flexible financial platform, offering short-term cash access, installment options, and budgeting tools designed to help you manage money responsibly. Here's how it works. Stateside Cash allows you to access part of your earned wages or request small short-term loans. Funds are typically available within a few hours, which is perfect for covering unexpected bills or urgent expenses. Unlike traditional payday loans, the app offers transparent fees, clear repayment schedules, and reminders to help you stay on track. Beyond cash advances, Stateside Cash provides insights into your spending. You can see upcoming payments, track your total obligations, and adjust repayment plans if needed. This makes it more than just a lending app, it's a mini financial management tool at your fingertips. The downside? Overuse can become expensive. Relying on repeated advances instead of a steady budget may lead to unnecessary fees. Stateside Cash works best when used sparingly, for genuine short-term needs. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request cash advances you can realistically repay on time. 2. Keep track of upcoming payments to avoid surprises. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need fast cash or want flexible short-term financial solutions. People with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find costs adding up. In conclusion, Stateside Cash in 2026 is practical, flexible, and user-friendly, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments, and treat it as a helpful tool rather than a long-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical money tips.